Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard. We'll dive into its design, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your gaming setup. This keyboard boasts a compact 75% layout, offering essential keys without the bulk. It also features robust tri-mode connectivity, ensuring you can game wirelessly or wired with ease. The Alienware Pro keyboard delivers solid performance with its 1000 Hz polling rate, crucial for responsive gaming. Its custom linear mechanical switches offer a smooth, satisfying feel with a light 40-gram actuation force. The keyboard's durable, aircraft-grade aluminum construction provides a premium feel. Plus, you get impressive battery life, up to 72 hours with RGB at 50% brightness, or nearly 800 hours with RGB off. Customization is key with the Alienware Pro. You can personalize every key with 16.8 million colors of Alien FX RGB lighting using the Alienware Command Center software. The hot-swappable switch sockets allow you to easily change out the mechanical switches to suit your preference. Additionally, the keyboard can store up to 5 onboard profiles, letting you take your personalized settings anywhere. So, is the Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard worth it? Priced around $200, it offers a premium experience with its sturdy build, excellent switches, and long battery life. While some competitors offer higher polling rates or advanced Hall effect switches, this keyboard excels in its core mechanical feel and reliable wireless performance. It's a strong contender for gamers seeking a high-quality, compact, and customizable wireless keyboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.